Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing our March unboxing of the Ipsy Glam box. This is a $25 a month box, and I think there is still a waiting list for it if you haven't got on that waiting list yet. So this month's box is called Hey Ipsters. Your March Glam Box Plus is here to help you put your best face forward. This is what the card looks like. This card tells you all the information about all the products that are in the box. It also gives you prices for it as well, which is very, very helpful when you're doing a video like this. So the first item I have for you today is from Purlisse. It's a hydration fine line protection, protects under your makeup. This is a $45 value. And it is, it says that it prevents fine lines and wrinkles. It says tips for applying morning and night. For soft, smoothly moisturized skin, the easy to use tote tube makes it easy to apply on the go. So it's basically just your regular hydration type of lotion, but it has a lot of nice ingredients, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory benefits, has white tea, it has vitamin E, and it has French moraine plant, which helps with a moisturizer. So I am very excited to give this a try. I just spaced it out before putting on all my makeup on today. So at some point I will give this a try. The next item we have in the box is from Huda Beauty. It is the Mob's Obsession. I am super excited to have gotten this one. I looked at this many times when it first came out on the market. I never picked it up, but I'm happy that I ended up getting this mauve one. I had looked online and I was told that I was going to be getting the darker blackish brown one. So when I got this one in my box, I was super excited. This is a $27 value and it works really well. As you can see in the demo up top here, I blended a lot of these colors together. So I started off with the white and the pink, and I blended those in the crease, and then I went ahead and took some of the darker blue purples here on the sides, and I blended those also in the crease where the tape was. I also used this color as an eyeliner, and then I took all three of the glitters and just kind of evenly placed them in the eye as well. I think this is a really nice palette. Super happy to have gotten it, and this is one that I probably will use a lot in my daily type of shadow looks, just because I love these kind of colors. These are really within my color wheel. These are the colors that I tend to gravitate towards most of all. So this was a $27 value. Very happy to have gotten it. I would have been happy to have gotten any of them, but I was really excited to get this colored one. The next item we got in the bag is from Farrah, and it is a 5-piece brush set. I ended up using it in the demo that you just seen of the eyeshadows. So if you want to see how they perform, if you just look closely to that video, you'll see how these shadows perform. I think they did a really good job. These are a $50 value. I don't know that I would pay $50 for these brushes. I have a lot of brushes from Morphe that I enjoy. I do enjoy these brushes. I think that they blended out really well. Had no problems with anything with these brushes. I think they work really well. I just don't know where the $50 worth is. And I know we've gotten Farrah brushes before, and I use them every single day. I use this one that we got in our a couple months ago Ipsy, I think it was an Ipsy, where I use this one for my blush, and then I use this one for highlight. So I do love the brushes from Farrah. I just don't know so much about the value, but I think that they do really well. They're kind of light, they're not a heavy brush. They do have really nice bristles, and they're very soft. So with that, I have to give that a plus for them. I think that they blend really well. I have no problem with my blush blending or my highlight blending with the other two brushes that I have, and these brushes did just as well. So I can't complain about these brushes at all. Like I said, these are a $50 value, and I do like them. I think they did really well. All right, so the next thing I have in my box is from Benefit. It is the Shy Balm Nude Pink Matte Radiant Highlighter. So I wasn't too sure what to do with this, because when you put this on your skin, it is not a highlighter that you would expect it to be. It has a little brush, and as you can see, I'm just rubbing it here on my arm. So you can see there, it doesn't have any highlight to it. So I figured if it doesn't have highlight like that, then it must be more of a bring to light type of stuff that you would put like a lighter cream, like if you put a lighter cream in the middle of your face. So I ended up using it right here in the center of my nose, which worked really well. I just patted that in. I put some right here to kind of make those lines disappear a little bit. And then I put some right up here in my forehead, and I just patted it in as well with my brush, and then I went back in and put a little bit more with my finger, and I think it does really well. So if you like a cream highlight like this, it's not a highlight, the shiny, you know, highlight like this. It's more of a matte highlight that you would use instead of concealer type of highlight. So it works really well for that. I really like this. I think it does a good job. I'm really impressed with this, and this is something that I will add to my daily routine. This is a $26 value, and to be quite honest, I think it's worth the price. I think that I will use this a lot. I'll get a lot of use out of it just for the middle of my nose there. That way I'm not having to add like extra cream there. Just put a little bit of dots of that highlighter there. And I think it does a really good job of just bringing out the light in certain areas. And then the last thing I got is from Real Her. It's an I Am Adorable matte liquid lipstick, and it is in a very red color. So I figured with the eye look that I have today, it wasn't going to match. So I have not given this a try yet. It's very, very red. Doesn't have a scent. It smells a little chemical-like. But I have enough red lipsticks to know that I don't need to open this one up. Looks like a really, really pretty, almost blue-red color, so I don't have a problem with the color at all. I just have so many red lipsticks right now that I am still trying to get through because I've had so many subscription boxes in the past couple of years. And a lot of them tend to send us red lipsticks. So this was a $14 value, but I think it's a beautiful color, and I will probably give it a try. If not, I will pass it on to somebody that really is in need of a red lipstick. So my box ended up to $162 this month, which is, I think, a really good price for the box. I ended up paying $25 and I think shipping. So $25 for some really, really lovely products. I think the highlighter itself, for me, I don't know about anybody else, but the Benefit highlighter itself, that just takes the cake for the whole box. So I'm really, really impressed with this. I'm super excited to give that lotion moisturizer a try, even though I forgot. It seems like it's gonna have a ton of benefits for my face, which I love the fact that it says that it prevents wrinkles, which I'm always looking for some products that are gonna do that. And I'm really liking the eyeshadow that I got as well. The lipstick, I don't know anything about that yet. I will see. I don't know that I'm gonna keep the lipstick. And then the brushes actually turned out to be really, really nice as well. So that was everything I got in my box this month. Let me know what you got in your box, if you got anything different. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys sometime within the week. Bye!